Hi, this is another video of our Useful Tips section. The next functionality that we will be discussing is data validation. In this sheet, we have a table which has one blank column, product group. Let's suppose that we know that there are only two possible values for the fields in this range. We might want to create a drop-down menu, which would allow us to select the product group category for each row. The way to do that is data validation. First of all, we have to select the range of cells for which we would like to create a drop-down menu. Once we have done that, we can go to Data and click on the Data Validation box. In the first window which opens, we can select as validation criteria List and indicate which are the values in our list. Once we have done that, our drop-down menu is ready, and we can select the correct entries for each of the rows. Please note that if we try to type within these cells, we will receive an error message. Error messages can be switched off by going to the Data Validation menu, selecting the third window, Error Alert, and unclicking the first box. Once this is done, even if we type over the cells of the range something different, we will not receive an error message. That pretty much covers getting familiar with data validation. Thanks for watching.